if one were looking for the rock on which the modern incarnation of Land Rover is built, you could easily make the case for the Discovery, a car originally fashioned from a cubic jumble of old Range Rover architecture and the unwanted constituents of the Austin Rover parts bin. The first generation, launched in 1989, was a packaging rethink intended to compete with a new, affordable generation of Japanese 4x4s that made the Range Rover of the day look old and overpriced. The solution wasn't flawless, indeed, its flaws multiplied and deepened over time, but its downsized diesel engine, utilitarianism and practicality caught the imagination of a public newly enthused about MPVs and the prospect of carrying 7 people in hitherto unprecedented comfort. In subsequent years, the formula barely changed. Land Rover just drastically improved the ingredients. With the third generation, in particular, Gaydon put its shoulder into the job, turning the Discovery into the model we now recognize: substantial, squared off, and all but unstoppable.